Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we do have a little bit of divergence forming here. So you can see there's the previous high of price, previous high of oscillator, new high on price, and you can see on this faster moving oscillator we're down, and ever so slight bit of divergence forming here. So there's a bit of divergence forming. It is the last day of the week, it's the last day of the month, and at the moment the weekly is a green bar on a new high. So there's the previous high there. So at the moment we have a weekly close above the previous high on the cards. But the fact that we've got these two pin bars at the moment, not too worried about this one just yet, this is after hours. But the fact that we've got these pin bars forming right now, that is a pretty telling sign. So in other words, what I'm expecting is a bit of a range day today. Sort of as we battle with this 45 or 4600, let's just round that off to 4600, and that is the level we need to clear. We need to clear, find support, and then continue to upside. Remember, the S&P and the Dow actually, well, not so much the Dow, but the S&P moves in 200-point increments. You can go back and back test it. You'll see every 200 points there is consolidation. Okay. So, in other words, 4,200, 4,000, 4,200, 4,400, and 4,600. Once we clear 4,600, then you probably be looking for 4,800 as your next upside target. Okay, so range bound at the moment in the week. You can see we did move up. We've moved up quite solidly, but then we've just basically gone sideways. So there's nothing really there. Oscillators at the moment. There you can see it's not quite divergence because that is slightly higher than that, but ever so slightly. But to me, that's a double top. And look at the divergence, that's confirming a double top for me. If we break below 45.50, that would validate the double top. And that would give me sort of a 440 point move, probably back into that area there. So let's just put that level in. It'll put us down in this space here. If we just move across to the hour, I really don't think there's going to be much for us to be trading. There was a little bit of a gamble coming off yesterday after the video, well, with that engulfing bar there, but that was about it. There's nothing really else that we've got to trade at the moment. So if we do come back down to the downside here, there's obviously an opportunity to take a trade to the upside. We are above the 155. I don't suspect we're going to get above this 4,600. If we do, that would be a weekly close and a monthly close above 4,600, which would be a nice bullish setup going forward. Now, the last thing to bear in mind with the S&P is that traditionally, you can go back through all the years, and you'll see late October, we sort of consolidate, or there's a little bit of a pullback, and then we go into a rally. And that rally normally starts late October, early November. And then we go into sort of what's called the Christmas bull run. So just keep that in the back of your mind. There's no reason why that wouldn't happen again. Results have been pretty good. Amazon was a little bit of a disappointment yesterday. And that is, as far as I'm concerned, if you read most of the results, is direct results of the stock shortages. So all the ships sitting out at sea and not in port being offloaded, that is the reason for that. So yeah, I think for me at the moment, this safer bet is to stay on the sides. But if we do start finding some bases, and there are bases to be found, here's one over here, and we need to get above it, 45.85, and the other one is down here at 45.52. If we do break above this 4,600 and sort of retest it, I would be on the 15-minute or even the 5-minute chart this late this afternoon for a quick scalp, but not interested in holding that through the weekend. So anyway, you can see 15 minutes indicating another move to the downside. Bear in mind there's a gap up here now from last night. So 15 minutes, you could actually find structure down here as well. Okay, and that's 45.70. So in other words, there's so many opportunities on the lower time frames, but on the higher time frames, this is not something I want to be chasing. I don't think there's much on offer at the moment. Not until we get above 4,600 at the moment anyway. So yeah, I think I'll take the take Friday off. Is only thing that I've seen today is really Euro British Pound, where there's an opportunity. Indexes, there's nothing that I'm really interested in. So that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you next week, bright and breezy on Monday morning. Cheers for now.